Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to create pictographs in Excel. So what you wanna do is with your data, you wanna highlight it. Now, if you go to insert, just like we did with the column graph, we can click on recommended charts and draw our column graph. Now, once we draw our column graph, it'll look like this. I'll come up with a pivot table and then our column graph. Now, if we want to turn this into a pictograph, we need to change these columns to become pictures. So if we click on it and then right click, and then we want to format the data series, you want to go to the paint bucket and you want to picture or texture fill. Once you do that, then you can change the columns to be any picture that you want. So if we insert and then from icons, we can find an icon that we can use, or you can find your own picture or a picture online. Let me see, I don't know if they have pizza, but we'll try. No, there is no pizza. Maybe we search food. Maybe we can use this burger insert. So we have that as our icon. Right now it is not it's a bit stretched, but we can fix it. What we want to do mostly is go to this setting here, which is the if we want it stretched or stacked, and we want to tick stack and scale with, so then we can choose what our scale is. So in this case right now, one picture is one. So for example, for noodles, there's 5 people who said they like noodle as their favorite lunch, so there is 5 pictures stacked together to represent that. Now if we want to reduce the amount of pictures, we can change this to say that for every 2 people who said noodles, we want 1 picture. So if we change the unit to 2 per picture, click enter. Now as you can see, pies had 4 people who said that they liked pies as their favorite lunch, and there's only 2 pictures because now each picture counts for 2. So you can make changes like that to your picture, and there are ways to edit the width of the columns. I think if we reduce the gap, yeah, we can increase how wide our columns is. So if we don't like the width of our columns, if we reduce the width, then the columns will be wider. If we increase the gap, then the width of the columns will increase. So here's how to create a pictograph or pictograph on Excel.